I'm here to take a look at some cool new cases for the Galaxy S10, S10 Plus, and S10e. I'm Josh Smith, GottaBeMobile.com. These are the Gear4 cases. They come with D3O technology, which we've seen in a lot of cases. It's this technology that when it hits something, it's going to harden and it's going to absorb that impact. But there's some really cool features to these cases that allow you to customize the look of your case day to day without buying a brand new case. Let's take a closer look. Gear4 offers 5 different case options for the Galaxy S10, S10 Plus, and S10e. They range from $39.99 to $59.99, and you have a variety of protection levels as well as some different designs. The Platoon Case is the most heavy-duty case. It's still wirelessly charging compatible, and it includes a holster. Let's open it up and take a closer look. And this is more going to be your OtterBox Defender style case if you're looking for something a little more heavy duty. We have that holster that you can use to clip to your pocket or to a belt. And we have a nice overall design. We have some flexibility on the edges, and this is a 2-part case. We can snap this rubber protective bumper off, and that gives us our base case. And you can put your Galaxy S10 in here. This is the S10 model. They make these for not just the S10, but it will fit in here, and it has that D3O backing. So that's gonna absorb and help protect your phone. And it goes edge to edge, so you're gonna get full protection for your device. Once you put your phone in there, you're gonna put the bumper over it, and that gives you an extra layer of protection. It kind of covers up the buttons, and it snaps into place nicely along the edges. So even though this is a 2-part design, it really feels nicely like a single case once you have it all together. And you can also clip it into the holster to protect your screen. So this is a nice option if you're looking for something to keep your Galaxy S10 or S10 Plus very protected while you're on the go. And it's still not too thick, especially when you snap the holster out. It's pretty impressive that this is rated for 20 feet of drop protection, still works with wireless charging, and is only $59.99. This is the Battersea Gear4 case for the Galaxy S10, S10 Plus. This one has a polycarbonate back, and it has D3O throughout. It is protected for 16 feet, and it is also clear, so you can see the full design of your Galaxy S10 or Galaxy S10 Plus. And here we have a look. It has this ridge design along the back that looks pretty nice. It has easy to access buttons along the edges. It's still really thin, and unlike some clear cases, it has quite a bit of rigidity to it. A lot of times with clear cases, you end up with some type of, either material that is just super thin and super cheap if you're buying a cheap clear case. But with this one, we have a really good reinforced back, and that ridge design is pretty nice. I prefer the ridge design over a normal, just completely clear back. The Battersea is $49.99. Next up is the Oxford. This is a folio style wallet case for the Galaxy S10 and S10 Plus. The Oxford features 13 feet of drop protection. It has a textured front and back, as well as a clasp that keeps this nice and closed when you're not using it. And when you open that up, you'll see that we have 2 card slots right here that you can access, and you put a couple cards in there. And then we have a full protective TPU style case with that D3O technology throughout, which will help absorb some shock. And another nice feature is you can use this as a kickstand. So if you're gonna make a video call, or if you wanna set this on a table and watch something on your S10 or S10 Plus, this is gonna handle all of that for you. The Oxford is also $49.99. The next 2 options are the Crystal Palace and the Piccadilly, and these are both clear cases. The difference is over here on the Piccadilly, you have a accent color on the edge. Both of them offer 13 feet of drop protection, and they work with these cool Chelsea packs, which you can use to put inside the case to change the design without changing your case or without buying a whole new case. Both the Crystal Palace and the Piccadilly are $39.99, and they have a nice feel to them. It has a very stiff polycarbonate back, and so there's not gonna be a lot of flex there. We have that D3O technology that gives it that 13-foot drop protection. And then with these, you can also take one of these cool designs and you just slide it in there, before you put your Galaxy S10 into the case. So there's a lot of different designs that you can use, and you can get some really cool looks without having to switch cases out completely or even buy multiple cases. So you can see the variety of cool designs that you get here. These packs are available from Gear4 and at various retailers. $14.99 gets you a pack of 4. So you get a variety of customization options. We have the Tropical Vibe here, and we have the Delta. And so you can get some cool looks, customize your Galaxy S10, and these stay in there nicely. Once you get a phone in there, it's going to make these colors really pop, because you're going to have black or whatever color you want in there. It'd be really cool if you had this one with the canary yellow Galaxy S10 that's available in some markets. Thanks for joining us to take a look at these Gear4 cases for the Galaxy S10, S10 Plus, and S10e. You can find out more with the link down in the description below. And don't forget to check out our best Galaxy S10 cases over at GottaBeMobile.com. Thanks for watching. If you found this video useful, please give us a like. That really helps us out. Leave us a comment and let us know what you think about this type of customizable case that has a little drop-in like this. And subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.